What am I being detained for?
You're being stopped. You don't have a tag on your vehicle. You have a
give
tag?
shit.
Yeah.
I don't give a shit.
You have a driver's license on?
No.
Right out of the gate, this stop is 100% legal. No license plate is a clear traffic violation in every U.S. state. But what about unfold? This quickly spirals into something way bigger than a simple stop. Watch closely. This is where misunderstanding the law starts costing real consequences.
No driver's license?
I ain't a U.S. citizen.
No U.S. citizen?
No, I'm not.
Oh, man, why not?
I don't want to be. Ain't
Okay.
goddamn corporation.
Oh, man.
That's
All
a
right.
badge number.
All right. Yeah, man, 214. You have no driver's license?
I got no legal ID at all.
Okay, well, hey, calm down. All right, this ain't the end of the day. All right, hey, can you get back in your car while we're doing this?
All right.
You're good.
Am I being detained?
You are detained, yes. Yes.
All right, so this is an arrest.
No, it's not arrest.
Yes, it is.
214
Detainment is
is
an arrest. See,
yeah,
you
it's
turn the
supervisor.
goddamn lights on. I'm under arrest
You're
for
not
what?
arrest.
Detainment is an arrest.
Stop.
What am I being detained for?
Here's where things go sideways. A detention is not the same as an arrest. But listen to how confidently he insists it is. Quick question for you. Do you actually know the legal difference between being detained and arrested? Because that confusion right there is about to escalate everything.
No tag on your vehicle.
I don't have a tag. I ain't required to have a tag.
Yes, you are. You're on the road.
I am not. No, I'm not. I'm not required to have a tag.
Just go ahead and see me, supervisor. I've got something being difficult. All right.
I'm not required to have a tag.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
All right. What's your name then? You can call me all you want. That's fine. All right.
I go by the name of Garrett Shannon.
Garrett Shannon. All right,
Yes, sir.
cool. What's your date of birth, Garrett Shannon?
I don't know. I'm way past the age of majority.
Very fast. You don't know your date of birth? Nothing?
No, I don't.
All right.
I cannot remember witnessing my birth.
You can. Okay. You don't know when you were born, though?
I have no idea.
You have no idea.
I did not witness. Well, I probably witnessed my birth. I don't remember.
All right, Mr. Shannon. Let me ask you this. Why are you so upset right now? All right. I'm
Because
just
this
doing
is
my
an
job.
unconstitutional stop.
It is not. No,
Yes,
sir.
it is.
Negative.
Show me the contract.
All right. Well, we have plenty of policies. All right.
Policy is a corporate edict.
Okay.
I'm not a statutory citizen.
Okay.
I've informed you multiple times.
so
I'm
you're
a
saying-
non-resident alien.
So you're saying
Show me the contract. That's a classic sovereign citizen argument. The idea that laws only apply if you personally agree to them. Spoiler. That's not how the legal system works. Courts have rejected this argument over and over again, yet people still double down on it, and it rarely ends well.
you're a sovereign citizen. Is that what you're
No,
saying?
sir. No, sir.
Okay.
That's an oxymoron.
Okay. All right. All right.
I'm
Well,
a
you're absolutely fine.
non-resident alien.
All right. Well, Mr.
I'm
Shannon.
a state citizen.
Mr. Shannon. Stop.
All right.
Stop. You're blowing this all up out of proportion right now. All right. That's all I'm saying. All right. You're getting upset. You make yourself angry. You're doing all that right now. You understand? Do you understand?
I do not understand. I do
You don't
not stand
understand
under you.
anything?
I do not
Okay.
understand anything.
Saying you're refusing to identify yourself
I have identified myself.
as Garrett Shannon, but I can't prove who you are because you're not giving me a date of birth. You understand
You
that?
don't I don't have to.
You absolutely
This
do.
is an infringement upon my rights.
You are.
I'm actually looking forward to another lawsuit here.
Okay, that's absolutely fine.
Yep.
If you would like a lawsuit, you're more welcome to do that. All right. Now tell me, why else are you upset right now? Because obviously this is nothing to
Because
be
I
upset
have
about.
been stopped for no reason.
You have no tag. I've
No
already given you.
constitutional reason. What crime
Yes.
have I committed?
Right now you're driving a vehicle. I don't know who
I am
you
not
are.
driving. I've
All
never
right,
been
just-
driving.
all
I'm
right, go ahead.
traveling.
Go ahead.
I'm traveling.
All right. Well, you're driving. Stop right now.
I have the right to resist.
No, you do not.
Yes, I do.
All right. Stop.
I'll wait till your supervisor gets here.
That's fine. That's absolutely fine if you want to do it.
This is a turning point. Claiming a right to resist during a lawful stop is incredibly dangerous, legally and physically. At this moment, what could have been a simple citation is now escalating toward arrest. One decision and everything changes.
Yeah, I'm individuals. Individuals refuse to identify themselves.
I have identified myself.
Garrett Shannon, I can't prove it's you. But you don't know when you're born or anything like that?
I might have witnessed it, but I do not know. I'm way past the
So
age
now
of
you have
majority.
witnessed your birth?
What's that?
So now you have witnessed your birth. I was saying you didn't witness your birth.
Yeah, but obviously I don't remember when I was born, being a baby. But
Okay.
I'm way past the age of majority, though.
Okay.
I'm way past the age 18 or 21 or what do you want to call it for majority.
Okay. You say you have no tag on your vehicle. You have no idea when your date of birth is. You
That
have no
vehicle is
registration.
no longer owned by the state. The state has no interest in that vehicle.
Okay.
That VIN number's been removed from all the DMV registries.
Okay.
So you're way f***ing up, dude.
Oh, I'm not. Hey, that's not nice to use that kind of language. I haven't used that language.
I can use whatever language I want. I didn't
That's
say.
fine.
I didn't say you.
I said you couldn't.
I wouldn't talk to you
Yeah.
in a diminutive way. I just said you're.
Okay. Explain to me how I'm effing up.
That vehicle, the state has no interest in. It
Okay.
is not collateral for the national debt anymore. Could you please turn the light down?
Negative. No.
Okay.
No. Because well, keep putting your hands in your pocket. I gotta see it. It's in dark out. Sorry, that's not happening. You got your light on. I'll get my light on.
Eventually, another officer arrived on scene.
Hey, what's up? No tag on vehicle. He's only giving me a first, last name. Can't confirm if that's him. Anytime I try to get close to him, he runs off. At this point, I don't know who he is. He's resisting, obstructing. So let's go ahead and just put him in handcuffs and figure out who he is then. All right. Stop. Stop. Don't do that. Stop. Mr. Shannon. Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. All right. Very good, Mr. Shannon.
And there it is. Probable cause shifts. It's no longer just about the missing tag. Now it's failure to identify an obstruction. Once cuffs come out, the entire tone of the encounter changes. Ask yourself, could this have been avoided with basic cooperation?
No. All right. This is not how we want to start the day. All right. Or our day, anyways. All right. Mr. Shannon, can you stop fencing up for me?
I still don't know why.
Yeah, stop. Come on. Mr. Come on. I've told you. I can't confirm who you are right now, and you have no tag on your vehicle. That's why we stopped you. All right? We're trying to be very lenient with you and talk to you like an adult. All right? And you're being uncooperative. Unclench your hands, Mr. Shannon. All right. If you had listened to us, this could have been much better. All right? 214. Dispatch. Someone detained at this time. All right, Mr. Shannon. Yeah, we're going to go this way. We're going to go to this vehicle here.
Why am I being removed? I thought you were just trying to verify who I am.
We are going to do that, and it's
Okay,
right now.
you can verify who I am out here.
All right. You gonna tell us the date of birth or anything, who you are? Just
I don't know what my date of birth is.
You know your date of birth.
That's infringement upon myself. It's testifying against myself, which I don't want to do.
Okay. For the time being, yes, we're going to put you in the back of the patrol car. All right.
Why can't I sit on the tailgate?
The tailgate?
Mm-hmm.
You want to sit on the tailgate?
Why can't I sit on my tailgate?
You want to sit on the tailgate with his deputy while we figure out who you are.
You already got
And
me
figure out-
handcuffs. Where the heck am I going?
Well, you already
You
tried to
already
run
know
from
my
us.
vehicle.
All right, come on, Mr. Jim. All right. You got any weapons or anything on you? Any weapons in here?
Yes, sir.
You have weapons on you.
Yes, I do.
Okay. What kind of weapons do you have on you, Mr. Jim?
I am not giving you consent to search, but I do have a weapon, what we consider a weapon on me for the legal system.
You hold him for a minute. All right. So stop in for no tag. As soon as yeah, he's not. He said he asked him if he was. He said no, he's not. Check the front.
Paid identified himself.
Yeah. So
Stopped him for a legal stop.
Yeah.
And he wouldn't tell you, he wasn't properly identified himself.
yeah.
So yeah, all the PC you need to do what you need to do.
All right. All right, Miss Jen. Let's go ahead and go back to this vehicle because you are under arrest at this point now. So sorry I had to come this way. Huh?
Can I have someone call pick my vehicle up?
You can absolutely do that if you have someone who you want to call. What do you want to call?
I'd call my friend Rick.
Ricky? Ricky sounds good.
All right.
All right. I'll help you do that. All right. All right. phone here. All right. Hey, Mr. Ricky.
Hey, can you pick my Ranger up for me? I'm right in front of Don's house.
Pick it up?
Yes, sir.
What's when you pick it up?
I guess I'm going down to the state motel for a while.
Unfortunately, I shouldn't have to take him to jail, but he didn't want to cooperate with us. We could have simply told us his name, date of birth. Hey, get a tag. All right, good morning. Have a nice day. But we couldn't do that today.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's unfortunate.
Where the key is going to be up?
Stop reaching.
This is the outcome no one plans for. Jail over something that could have ended in minutes. The officer even says it. Give your name, get a warning, move on. Instead, this turned into charges and over 100 days behind bars. So here's the real question. Was standing on principle worth the price?
I think they're still in the ignition.
Okay. All right. If they're still in the vehicle, Matt, what happened here? Another deputy waiting by with this vehicle.
You want to tell him his name?
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, no.
All right, bye.
All right.
All right.
Am I setting the phone in my truck for him?
You want the phone in the truck? You want to take it with you?
Nope.
All right. We will do that. Here, you might hold this phone for me. All right. Go ahead and face it. All right. Pocket back. All right, sir. Go ahead and sit down for him.